Hello friends, welcome to Ang Pakialamerang OFW. Walang script, walang filter, just life. Today is the last day of Ramadan, and what better way to end this month than to do a food crawl. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Shamalia District ng Alcobar. Ito po ay isang district na madaming mga grills, cafes, and restaurants, and naisip ko po na tingnan kung pwede bang mag-food crawl. Kasi madami pong pwedeng options na kainan dito tambayan, lounge, mga ganun. So what I did was I researched sa internet yung mga gusto kong restaurant na pwede kong kainan. Tapos ipinlot ko siya sa Google Maps. Kasi the goal po is to be a food court, so dapat po walkable siya. Siguro po, this will be two parts kasi malaki po yung Shamalia District. Siguro pagdating ni Chris, gawin natin yung second part. So, nandyan po lahat ng location ng mga restaurants and cafes na pupuntahan natin today sa description ng videong ito. So, samahan niyo po ako. Let's do this. So, ang first natin ay dahil last iftar po to of the month of Ramadan, magdi-dinner po tayo. Di po tayo kakain ng masyadong heavy kasi madami po tayong pupuntahan. So, very peaceful yung neighborhood natin. Actually, wala tayong reservation today. Tingnan natin kung tatanggapin tayo. Mali, dapat nga nagpa-reserve tayo. So, the first restaurant, it's called Rava. Rava Persian Iranian restaurant. Wala po tayong reservation. Titingnan natin kung makakapasok tayo. So, punong-puno po today. And this is Rava Persian Restaurant. Hello. Yeah. So what we're going to do is sisit tayo sa bar kasi yun lang yung available na table. Sorry. I'm just very careful not to video the people. Try lang natin yung food nila. We're sitting at the bar. Anyways, di naman tayo masyadong maselan today kasi it's just a food crawl. Hi. We're going to check the menu. Actually, kasalanan ko to kasi hindi tayo nagpa-reserve. And expected naman na madami talagang tao because it's the last day of Ramadan.
This is our special.
Ah.
This is one chicken.
Okay.
Also this one lamb.
What's it
This is
called?
special wrap.
Okay.
This is shishlik laham.
The lamb chops?
Yeah, lamb chop. Two kind of rice.
Let's do that special.
Okay.
Yeah.
Drink.
Just water. Thank you. Let's see how busy they are. And ticket store. So this is the Rava special. It has chicken and meat. And I think because it's Ramadan, they gave us the sambosa. I think this is cheese. And we have dates and the rice. It looks really yummy. Ayan, lantakan na natin to. Oh my God, ang laki. We're not sure if mauubos natin to. Okay. Wala mo ng rice. Let's try the chicken first. Ang sarap. Lagwat. Ang sarap. Malala. The beef. Lagwat. Ang sarap. Natin ng lemon. Shit, ang sarap. Grabe. Ang sarap. Ang tender ng chicken. Ang perfect ng pagkakaluto. Grabe. Perfect. If you compare this dun sa mga grilled restaurants, ibang level. Oh my God. Ganito pa pagkain sa Iran? Char. So, pasabog sila ng pasabog. Ang sarap. Oh Lord. Ano ba? Normal. Pero Lord, ang sarap. Oh Lord, tignan natin yung kanin. Yes. My friend, what is this?
This is Jarish, Babri.
Jarish? Sweet, no? Actually, kaya kong ubusin ito eh. Kaso, dami tayong puntahan pa. By choice, hindi ko ubusin. Char. I think the mati rice din to. I like onions. Malalang food review, mga food critics, pati mga onions, nire-review. But I like onions. Sabi, ang sarap. Ang sarap ng food. It was perfect. The chicken. Ano yan? Itong pula. Tingnan natin kung ano to. Sabi niya Jarish, hindi ko naman alam kung ano. So, di ba ang sarap na nung sarap na kami dun sa mga romansiya, sa mga Turkish restaurant. Grabe. Ibang klase. Very good. Yeah. Ganda ng lighting, di ba? Ang sarap. Kakalahatiin ko lang yung chicken at saka yung beef. Tapos, napabalot ko na. At hindi ko talaga to pwede ubusin. Otherwise, malalaos yung food roll natin sa iba. First pa lang natin ito. Guys, try nyo to. Hindi ko kayo e-emehin. Sobrang sarap. Walang eme. Kila nyo muna yung pagkain sa live grill ng ribs. Dito muna kayo. Yung mga tao dito, feeling nila baliw ako kasi satsat ako ng satsat. Yung menu nila, yung nakaka-overwhelm. Which is good. So this is our first stop in this food crawl in Shamadía. It's called Rava Restaurant. Sa Instagram, rava.rest. Nalagay ko rin yun dyan. It's an authentic Persian, a modern twist. Busin ko lang tong last bite na to and then I'm off. See ya! So guys, that's Rava Restaurant here in Chamadilla. Next stop natin ay Amamia. Lakad-lakad. Amamia. Saan tayo makanan? Lakad-lakad lang tayo dito para matagtag ang kinain. Saya-saya ng crawl na to kasi peaceful yung neighborhood and hindi ka lapot-lapot dahil maganda pa yung panahon. Sarirong information pala, yung 2 minutes pala is driving. 8-minute walk pala siya from Rava to Amamia. This is another restaurant. Yeah, ko alam kung anong pangalan. Yan. So, restaurant din siya. Kaso it's in Arabic. Awan Juices. Ito rin, oh. Dikit-dikit halos yung mga coffee shops, food places, hole in the wall, Tala Pizza. Alam ko na kung bakit tahimik pa ngayon. Kasi, di ba iftar? So yung mga tao nasa mga bahay-bahay pa nila nag-i-iftar. Magiging busy to mamaya. Siguro pagpatak ng mga 8, yan, start na sila. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa second stop ng food crawl natin sa Shamalia. This is Amamia, authentic Italian lasagna. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, very good. I'm vlogging, ah. What do you have?
We have the especially for lasagna.
Very clean place. I think I saw somewhere they can eat. Or no? No?
First one.
Ah, okay. Okay. Do you have anything in Riyadh or just Kobat?
No, they will planning.
So, only for takeout pala dito. Try natin. Doon tayo kakain sa labas. Charik. They have 3 sizes ng lasagna. This is the small, the medium, and the large. Ayan. Sa small, pwede kayo half and half yung mga flavors. The flavors they have, nalagay ko nang dyan, Classica, Polomio, Salamino, Bianca, Parmigiana, Verde, Romana, and Tartufa. They also have croquettes, lasagna fritti, ensalata di tuna, ensalata amami. They have drinks. Hindi din overwhelming yung menu nila. And so, this is the Classica.
Yeah, and this is the Classica, and this is the pesto Santa tomato.
Okay, verde, right?
Yes,
Okay,
verde.
and you're putting parmesan, right?
Yes.
Ah, okay. That's basil.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Siyempre, it comes
You need
in...
to try here.
I will try it
you
here.
try.
It's better to eat it hot. So we're going to try. So again, this is the Classica and the Verde, which is the green green lasagna. Oh wow.
We give for you for the
What is
tiramisu.
this? Oh, okay. Thank you. So they gave me a tiramisu. Sweet. Let's try this as well.
This is
Thank
our
you.
Classic tiramisu.
Classic tiramisu. Medyo mahirap lang nga kasi wala silang dine-in, no? So, gagawin natin, titikman na natin siya dito kasi para mainit pa. Yeah. Okay, let's try. First bite. Let's do the classic first kasi yun naman talaga yung dapat. Wow. Yeah, I hope you see the cheese ball. Cheese ball. Cheese ball. Wow. Wow. Ang sarap. I've been to Italy and kalasa niya. Oh, wow. Ang sarap. Hala guys, ang sarap. Comment sa mga nakatikim na dito if you agree with me. Pero grabe, ang sarap. Ang swerte nyo kung nataga dito kayo, malapit kayo dito, you can order this authentic lasagna. Ang sarap. Oh my God. Try natin yung verde. The pesto. Cheese ball. I think this is sun-dried tomatoes on top. Verde. Ang sarap. Kakaloka. my God! Kung ganito kasarap, parang ano talaga, halalagot. Paano ko i-explain? Paano ba i-explain yung mas sobrang sarap na hindi nyo ako anuhin, ibabash? Char, so good. Where do you get your ingredients? Abroad?
85% for the Italy,
85% Italy
and some
and here, local, huh?
local. Beef from Australia, Angus,
Beef is from Australia.
Australia, chicken from local,
Okay.
and another many ingredients for the from Italy. And
Wow.
the fresh, like lasagna seeds, like fresh, not as a
I will taste the tiramisu. The tiramisu also here? Fresh every day? Okay.
fully homemade, like fully classic and homemade mascarpone.
Homemade mascarpone.
Yes.
This is the classic
Coffee
tiramisu.
flavor.
Yeah. Cacao and oh wow, it's thick. Very thick. It's not the tiramisu na ganun lang, no? It's very thick. See? I don't like coffee actually.
Ah,
But let's see.
okay.
Because I don't drink coffee. But you can't really taste the coffee too much, no?
Yeah.
It's not strong.
Not this strong. Not this strong.
Wow.
You must be taste more than mascarpone.
Yeah.
Creamy.
What other flavors do you have?
Only
Only one, the classic tiramisu. Thank you very much. This is so nice. Thank you.
Thank you for visiting.
Yeah. Hey guys, thank you very much. Say hello to the vlog. Thank you. Thank you. Very good service. Thank you. Bye. So, grabe, ang sarap. Teka, saan na ba ako? Bait din sila, na-explain nila yung menu. That they don't have a place where you can dine in. Pero it's fine. Ang magiging problema lang kasi, if kung malayo ka, tapos iti-take out mo, lalamig na siya. Ang perfect ng lasagna kapag yung na-cheese pool mo pa, di ba? Kapag mainit pa. But it's really, really nice. Sobrang sarap! Guys, itry nyo tong Mamma Mia. This is our second stop, Mamma Mia, authentic Italian lasagna. So, we're off to the next. So, yung next stop natin is a 5-minute walk from Mamma Mia. It's called Don't Tell Dad. Ay, ayun na nga. Sabi ko na low-bat na. Sige, go. I'll see you. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Don't Tell Dad. Ang kanilang Instagram, don'ttелldad.sa. This is where good food meets better secrets. Specialty coffee, comfort eats, and chill vibes. So, parang brunch area to, alam ko eh. Brunch place siya. Pero, they're known for their cakes. So, tignan natin. Open na kayo? Open na po. Pwede sa loob. Go-vlog ako So, this is the entrance of Don't Tell Dad. Buti lang may mga kabayan dito. Let's just show the place. Bakit medyo madilim? Ganito talaga? Ganito talaga siya. Okay. There are the cakes. Ate, anong best seller nyo? So, best seller daw nila tong cinnamon roll. They have coconut cake, strawberry crumb cake, black forest. Ay, shit, parang ang sarap ng black forest. Tapos yun yung Matilda cake. They have lemon blueberry bundt cake and cinnamon pecan bundt. Gusto ko yung black forest fudge cake. Namin yung kabayan dito
Yes, sir.
Oo nga. Thank you. So, this is the black forest cake. Pero sa atin kasi di ba parang cherries yung niya, yung fruit niya. Dito, blackberry. Don't tell Dad. Yan siya. Kirin, pang dalawa. Try natin. Ayan. Nasira. Ang hinahanap ko lagi kapag black forest cake ay the amount of dark chocolate. Kasi yun yung masarap eh. Yung, di ba karamihan pag mga chocolate cake, chocolate fudge, milk chocolate yung ginagamit. So kapag black forest, dapat malalasahan mo yung dark chocolate. Nalalaban sa cream. Masarap din. Sino kayo nagbe-bake dito? Masarap din siya. Pero kasi, ano nga yung hinahanap ko. Yung nakasanayan kong black forest is cherries yung nakalagay. Dami silang pagpipilian. Hindi madaming pagpipilian, pero may variety of cakes naman sila na pagpipilian. Maybe next time we'll try the brunch, the food. And puro mga kabayan dito. Hello to Don't Tell Dad staff. Mga kabayan, malaki yung place nila. Madaming ma-accommodate kapag dine-in. So yeah, don't tell Dad. I won't tell Dad, but I will tell the people that you have nice Black Forest cake. So, we're off to the next. Mag-reroute lang tayo ng konti kasi we heavy na sa sweets eh. Mag-reroute tayo dun sa Sushi and Boba place siya. So, from Don't Tell Dad to the Sushi and Boba place, it's an 8-minute walk. See ya! Yan, yung mga coffee shops. Meron ako nakita dito, Omeo Burger. Parang cute siya, oh, di ba? Very aesthetic siya. Pero, yung Fuji Sushi and Boba, hinahanap ko kung nasaan. Wala, wait lang, nasa na yung Fuji Sushi and Boba? Ah, hindi, ito yung Dear Diary. Meron dito, oh, Dear Diary. Cute siya. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Nang nagkamali tayo ng kanto. Wait, ito na pala. Nalagpasan ko sa kanto pala siya. Ayan. Yeah, it's recording now.
We talking about Tagalog.
Off?
Walang balita.
Marunong ka mag-Tagalog?
Kamusta?
Mabuti,
Ayos
mabuti. Ayos lang.
Walang bera?
Konti lang.
Mayroong bera.
Meron konti lang.
Mayroong bera. Wala maganda, wala sadigi.
Sa Diki, ma'am, no.
No, we
Bawal.
have it in Rahmania area.
No.
You don't go Kadiwa?
No, because I'm from Damam, sir.
You know what Kadiwa?
Kadiwa, yes,
You know
yes.
Jollibee?
Jollibee, yes.
You take it spaghetti with hot dog? And buy Nobel free? Salamat!
Maraming salamat po.
Walang anuman!
Thank you. So, ayun, nandito tayo sa Fuji Boba Sushi and More. Tatry natin yung boba nila at saka, let's see if okay yung sushi nila. Yeah? I'm vlogging, eh. Ay, kabayan po. Ayun, buti na lang. Anong marirecommend mo sa Sa sushi? Tatry ko ba? Yung sa boba, ayun, Tiger Brown Sugar. Maliit lang ha. Isang size lang ba kayo?
Opo, isa lang sir.
Okay, sige. Oh.
Volcano po yan.
Manghang ba to?
Opo.
Super.
Pero pwede naman po natin na, hindi ko na lang po lagyan ng...
Sige, isa na lang volcano, tapos wag na lang masyadong maanghang, ha? Thank you. So, we ordered for the volcano sushi roll and the brown sugar boba. Yan. Let's see. Let's try. Ayun na nga. Try muna natin yung boba. Kung sabihin na bawasan yung kasukan. Pwede naman ito bawasan ng tamis. Nakalimutan ko lang sabihin. Pero kasi ganun talaga yung normal niya kasi nga sugar yung flavor. Ilagay ang luya. Nakita nyo ba? Paba natin. Ayun. Eh? I wonder gano'n siya kaanghang. Ngayon kang hindi na. Pinabawasan ko yung spice. Sarap. Gusto ko talaga itong pickle ginger tsaka yung kikoman toyo. Grabe, ang dami kong kinain today. Pero hindi ka man inubos lahat. Yung Japanese food. Ako gusto ko kasi yung Japanese food eh. Medyo dito halo-halo lang. May Korean, may Japanese. Hindi rin pati kasi ako masyadong sa boba. Basta may pearl, ganun. Ang masarap. Okay na ako doon. Siyempre, hindi siya gongcha levels. Pero, pwede na. Tapos kasing gongcha dito. But this is nice. Madami silang pagpipilian. So there. Hindi ko alam kung ilan yung mga boba places dito sa Shamalia. Pero if you're looking for a boba place and the sushi place, there's Fuji Sushi here to satisfy your sushi cravings and boba cravings. Sarap, naubos ko eh. I think busog na ako. Dami ko lang nakain. See you sa last stop. If you're craving for boba dito sa Shamalia area, punta kayo dito sa Fuji Sushi and Boba. Pabawasan niyo ng konting tamis. Well, kung gusto niyo ng sobrang tamis, kung gusto niyo ng matamis, yun, perfect. Pero kasi ako, I normally ask them to tone down sa sugar to make it less sweet. Pero, masarap. Ang daming tao. Okay. Kasi mosque pala yun. So, hello friends. This is our last stop for this food crawl sa Shamalia. This is Toast Tango. And isa lang naman yung pinunta ko dito. It's the mango sticky rice. Very small lang yung place niya din. And they're known for this French toast. At saka syempre yung mango sticky rice. Let's see. So, this is the mango sticky rice from Toast Tango. Siya lang naman yung pinunta ko dito talaga. Although gusto ko pa rin sana tikman yung mango milkshake at saka yung cheese toast, pero next time na lang. Yan. Ayan, pinagkaiba nitong. Oh my God, ang sarap ng mangga. Ano ba to? So there's mango, there's vanilla ice cream. No, coconut ice cream. And then, of course, there's sticky rice and coconut cream. Sarap. Wala friends, ang sarap. Sarap niya. Alamin natin kung saan galing yung mangga nila. My friend, your mangoes, where is it from? Thailand?
No.
From local?
Egyptian.
Egypt. Okay. So, ngayon, hindi pala siya Thai mango. Kasi feeling ko mas mahal kung doon galing. These are Egyptian mangoes. Pero kalasa. Edible flowers. Hindi naman din siguro ilalagay dito kung hindi edible flower to, no? Kainin ko yung flower. Yung ba't lasa ng ano? Lasang danggit. Sorry. Busog na ako, friends. Actually, ang dami ko kinain today. Hindi isa kasi ako eh. Kaloka. So, ayun. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating gala for today. Invento ko lang kasi yung food crawl ngayon. Pero dahil perfect na, ang dami dito ng restaurants, ang daming cafes, ikusulputan sila. Very lively yung area. Although yung Shamalia kasi, mayroong parking dito. So, it's a walkable neighborhood. Actually, you're meant to walk talaga. Kasi hirap yung parking. When you park somewhere, tandaan nyo na lang, pin nyo yung location ng car, tapos walk around. You can rearrange the sequence ng mga stops natin kasi I think na medyo pag ganun eh. Pero all in all, I think it's a 25-minute walk yung 5 stops natin. So, it's walkable, no? It's normal, I think. So, doon po nagtatapos ang ating food crawl for today. Sana po ay nagustuhan nyo yung gala natin. Maraming salamat po sa mga patuloy na nanonood at sumusuporta sa channel. Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-subscribe. We really appreciate everyone who supports the channel at patuloy pong nanonood lagi ng mga videos. Maraming salamat po. Please share and like and subscribe sa mga bago po na makakapanood ng mga videos namin. Thank you again. This is Ang Pakialamerong OFW. Walang script, walang filter, just life. Bye!